College isn't a destination. It's a path to something greater, like a dream job, a better future, or even space. And if you're ready for the journey, the University of Houston Clear Lake is ready to remove any potential barriers so that you can reach your full potential. Aspire to bigger things. No matter which of the 90 undergraduate, graduate, or doctoral programs you choose, all roads lead to careers. Be it educating future generations in one of our partner school districts, innovating with leading aerospace industries, driving change in business, or shaping culture and society through the liberal arts. Let your passions take flight. Be inspired by the natural beauty of our Clear Lake campus, the diverse programs at our Pearland location, and the groundbreaking healthcare innovation at our Texas Medical Center location. Be heard and learn from professors who know you by name. Live and learn with night and online classes that work around your schedule. Connect and collaborate with peers as diverse and unique as you and committed to improving their lives. Prepare a path for a life full of opportunities and invest in a future where the benefits outweigh the financial burdens. Set your sights higher, because for every obstacle in your way, there's a dedicated professor who can show you a way. For every career path that seems unclear, there's a CEO, astronaut, or former hawk who's already forged one. For every passion you may discover, there's a lab, trail, or platform where you can learn, explore, or shine as a leader. Follow your ambitions, and you might be surprised by who you inspire along the way. Inspire higher at UHCL.